Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start with Access. Make sure you know the device passcode or Apple ID credentials because Notes uses them to verify you. Once done, open Notes and find the locked entry you want to remove. Tap the locked note to prompt the unlock screen. This step both authenticates you and signals the app which lock settings to change next. If biometrics are enabled, use them now to unlock quickly. Otherwise, enter the passcode so you can proceed to modify lock options. With the note open, tap the lock icon or the More menu and pick Remove Lock. This is the command that strips the encryption flag from that note. You will authenticate again. This double check prevents accidental unlocks, so enter your passcode or use Face/Touch ID. Once authenticated, the app will remove the lock metadata while keeping content intact. Make sure the note fully opens after removal. That confirms the lock was cleared rather than only temporarily bypassed. Finish by checking the note no longer displays a lock icon and then tap Done to save the change. This ensures the app committed the removal. If you have multiple locked notes, repeat the process per note or use folder-level options where available. If removal fails, restart the device and try again, and make sure you are signed into the correct Apple ID because mismatched accounts can prevent lock changes. If problems persist, reset the note settings or contact support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.